With offices in Australia, the United States and Singapore, RealTime Health is a global pioneer of patient narrative communication. Narrative communication simply means patient storytelling. Our Speaking from Experience narrative video series contains more than 700 patient and caregiver interviews addressing 70 condition-specific titles, and it's growing rapidly. It's the only digital health resource of its kind, and it's been instrumental in establishing this evidence-based practice as an important part of health promotion. RealTime Health partners with peak support organisations to ensure that all information is trustworthy and appropriate. Our support group partners review and endorse all of our patient narrative content, and our participants are asked to review their interviews to confirm their comfort before it's released. Our online content, mobile apps and DVDs are aimed towards patients, caregivers, loved ones and health professionals who use them for peer support, patient education and health professional training. Patients, caregivers and loved ones discover our content in many ways, through support organisations, health professionals, hospitals, public libraries, employers, events, social media, our mobile apps, realtimehealth.com and the RealTime Health online store. Growing evidence around narrative communication in healthcare shows that patients who watch first-hand stories from people with similar conditions experience increased confidence and motivation to manage their own conditions. And this is important when you consider that 1 in 3 Australians has at least one chronic condition, and that 80 to 90% of all care for people with long-term conditions is undertaken by patients themselves and their families. People need resources and support to play an active role in the management of their health, and narrative communication is increasingly being recognised as a valuable tool to encourage self-care behaviours. Caregivers and other loved ones who watch our narrative content demonstrate improved understanding of the condition and the needs of the patient dealing with it, which leads to an increase in both their willingness and ability to provide self-management support. Health professionals also benefit. Doctors, nurses and health workers use our content for education and training. Watching first-hand patient stories significantly improves their understanding of conditions and the real-life, everyday impacts on their patients. Improved understanding leads to greater empathy, so more appropriate healthcare and better patient health outcomes. The professional version of our mobile platform enables them to easily share relevant clips for their patients to watch. Health professionals find RealTime Health content through hospitals, universities, resource libraries, health-related organisations, trade associations, and of course social media, as well as realtimehealth.com and the RealTime Health online store. At RealTime Health, we believe that storytelling is in our DNA. It's familiar and comfortable, and it's a natural way to share information, especially information that might otherwise be difficult to grasp. That's what makes it so powerful. Whether you're looking for support, inspiration, education, or just reassurance that you're not alone, RealTime Health's Patient Narrative Library allows you to experience the power of sharing.